I'm going to attempt to make Rice Krispie treat turkeys. Hopefully mine looks good as these cute little gobblers. Well, let's get out all of our ingredients and let's start making them. The olive oil is used for non-sticking purposes, and I'm supposed to have wax paper but didn't have any. That's the reason why I'm having to spray parchment paper with olive oil. Now let's start with melting our butter. Yummy, yummy butter. After the butter is all melted, it's time to add our marshmallows. I had to transfer pans because mine was just too little. Look at that beautiful melted decadence. It's time to add the Rice Krispies to this decadent, beautiful conglomeration of melted butter and marshmallows. I love that sound, snap, crackle, pop of Rice Krispies. Now it's time to transfer all of this beautiful decadence into the cookie sheet I prepared. It's a little dark because I forgot to turn on an extra light. Sorry about that. Here we go. Let's see how these turn out. This yummy chocolate frosting is my glue. I call this next part of the video a birth of a turkey. I am making a mama turkey because you cannot have a baby turkey without a mommy. It looks like mama turkey has been through some better times. It's tough being a parent. Well, here's my family of turkeys. Looks a little dysfunctional, but hey, aren't we all? Happy Thanksgiving and thanks for watching.